Mama, please don't be offended. The food is almost ready.
You are almost ready. Don't you know you are supposed to start cooking on time?
Mama, I started cooking on time. It's because it's pounded yam and egusi soup. But it's almost ready.
It's too much ready.
Mama, what's happening? Is everything alright?
How can everything be alright when Stella refused to give me food on time? All the ones in my stomach have already started eating my intestine.
Stella, is that true? You don't want to give my mother food to eat?
No, that's not true. I only told her to wait a little. The food is almost ready.
Then be fast about it. She's hungry.
I will. I'm sorry.
Get to it!
Spoken like a man you are. We are in this together.
Yes, Mama.
We'll make sure that we kick her out of my son's house. In fact, she will regret marrying my son.
Mama, don't worry. She will leave this house whether she like it or not.
No choice. She don't have any choice.
Who's gonna lie? She will food for us to eat.
Be fast, though! I'm very hungry here.
Mama, waiting this up now. I mean, they wait for you when that Jew guy just walk past.
See that guy? That guy, the maroon car. He just they melt my heart in here. They make me they fall in love with her. You don't even take permission, self. Can't they tip my heart? They do in here.
But Mama, I don't tell you, say, make you forget this guy. Forget this guy. Plenty fine guys there for this school where we go just run, arrange for you one.
La lie. See that guy? I must get him down. I go do anything where that guy wants. Any kind thing at all. I go run and for him. Ma, make sure say that guy na my own. You dey see him? Hi guy man go dey turn babe like me down. Babe way sharp. Check him now. Who check him go take him?
Mama, they see and you fresh.
See that guy, That guy just want annoy me. Just want provoke me. Make her for display. He look me finish, say, I dey irritate am. No, I'm to say I be bouncer or I be joker.
Mama, who goes that guy?
You see that guy? I be like dirty for him eye.
But him go make am talk say fresh person like you dey irritate am.
Sharp
Mama,
babe.
that guy dey do anyhow. Oh. You know wetin happen, Mama? I mean the reason. What if we just run this guy KP, carry am enter one corner, make you collect your joy normally.
If run and KP, you no go sweet. You no go make sense. I go lie for you. No, now. I for like me we run and KP, but no. On a Olympus, we go free am. You know, say, if this guy waka come using hand, tell me some kind things. So that everywhere go. Aye. You understand this
Mama,
things, your mind
you not love again.
Where they wo?
Ski.
Where they wo?
Ski.
Grace, I think I am going to have a carryover this year.
Why? My prince, why?
My assessment grades are not looking good at all.
Where do you think the problem is coming from?
From me, of course. I've not been studying hard these days, a lot of distraction, all of that. I don't know.
See, my prince, I think you should make friends among your course mates. Those brilliant ones. So you can study with them, then from there you can sit up.
Oh, Chris, come on. None of these people want to study again, all right? They don't want to. They believe in sorting themselves out, paying lecturers to pass their exams.
Hey, that's not bad. You join the trend. Even among your course mates, they are still intelligent ones. They always have them in the class. Even if it's the head of the class or the prefect, you join them.
Chris, I don't want to talk about this, but what do you mean by join the trend?
Join the certain trend. Whatever it takes to make your grades to be okay, you have a good relationship with your lecturers. You know, you sort them.
Chris, let's end this topic, okay? And make sure you don't tell anyone about this.
Sorry, I will not tell anybody.
Boss, good evening.
You've greeted me today.
I don't forget now, but you know stay back, still collect them. How far, boss? Still the sub. I beg, I want make you call me some rubies. I want to say I want get handout.
And how do you expect me to understand what you've just spoken?
Ross, okay. Just give me money. Give me some rubbers. You understand? I want to just buy a handout. That's all. Sharp.
Can you speak some good English, Jackie?
Bros, what is the sub? I don't understand. On the side they beg you money or waiting. You can't they insult me. You don't even go to English. I bet pack where.
Are you yelling at me?
No. Bros, when they calm down, blood they hot, but they pepper. Give me money. I want to buy handout. I want to buy handout.
I gave you 50,000 naira last week. What did you do with the money?
Bros, that one don't pass now. Old Testament now. All things are passed away.
Jackie,
Bros.
I pay you and Ebuka every month end for doing absolutely nothing in this house. Still give you money for your handouts, your textbooks. Still pay your fees. Still give you pocket money every damn week. What have you been doing with all the money I've been giving to you?
Bros, I don't understand. Bros, no, now you said go they count down, you go bump me. So because they give me money, don't they run my history? Go they count down, make me no run UKPO.
I need to give you the list of everything I've been doing for you, so that you know that I'm trying. When I give you money, you spend it wisely. I gave you 50,000 naira last week. This week, 50,000 naira. What have you been doing with it?
Bros, the fuck up.
You spend money as if there is a bank in this house. Who does that?
Now me they endorse am. Bros, now me they endorse am. Nothing dey happen. Wait till self. Because I ask you for small Arabis where you go anchor sharp SM like me. You can't hear the maru cap. Bros, you see that money If I ever beg for this money, you can make I buy. Don't worry, all your money. I dey shake, you see me. Nothing dey happen. You only you go even beg me to collect this money. No worry. I go tidy your matter. Straight up.
Can you imagine this? Hi. How did my parents come about this?
What is it again?
Who cook am for you? Who be this native doctor wey cook this juju for you?
Pardon?
Guy, if you pardon me again, come, if you pardon me again, I go just bust your head, dey craze. I go just hold you better slap. Answer me, who be this native doctor wey cook this juju for you? Wey make my brother no fit even dey listen to me, just dey run follow you like mugu?
What are you saying? I don't understand anything you're saying.
I don't even understand you, sef, because I no believe so you can understand me. What do you do my brother wey make my brother no dey feel wire give me? My eyes are just dey cry. You dey mad? Who you be? Who goes you?
What has that got to do with me? I mean, what has that got to do with me? I didn't do a thing like that.
Tell that to the birds. I be like Mugu for your eye. But you, I got my eyes on you. I dey observe you. Because I know say you go deny him. You don't witchcraft my brother anyhow. But don't worry, you go soon expire, you no go feel last forever.
Jackie, if your brother refused to give you money, that's because he doesn't want to give you. So why are you blaming me for that?
Make I clear you now. I hate you. If I see anything wey fit kill you, I swear, I go give you may chopper. May he die. May he just buy. But you no go escape me, oh. Because one day I feel just use this bottle to bust your head for this house. Because me self I dey bitter. But it dey pepper. I don't get joy. No worry, you will clear. Just the march. Get out. Come up for here first. Make I know. Your blood go just flow. They go. Just they go. They go first. They go. If not, their body go surplus for this house this night.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Thank you, Chris. So, how is it? Have you been able to find out something?
Not yet, Your Highness. I think the prince is hiding something from me. With what he told me, I think the only thing bothering him is his education.
It's not true. I don't think so. Did you dig deep? Chris, do you follow him in school like I instructed you to?
Yes, I did.
Chris, if this job is too big for you, I will give it to another guard to do for me.
No, Your Highness. No, I promise I will do better. I will dig deep like you said. Please, just give me some time.
Chris.
Your Highness.
Okay, I'll give you a benefit of doubt.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You can go.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I feel just lick you like this now. Don't lick you like ice cream, mama.
So you don't only bully and beat people up, you also rob them of their money.
Now what, guy be like you know see where? That thing where you see so, na borrow.
No, I saw you.
No, nothing more, nothing less.
I saw how you forcefully collected that money from that girl, that poor girl. Why?
Guy, you know they see. You don't see where you need eye drop.
I dey tell you.
Because that thing no be false. That thing na love.
And alone.
And alone.
You dey very active.
Mama,
Now listen to me. Now listen, the last time I checked.
Dust stand. That thing na dirty.
Are you okay?
Dust
Are
them
you okay?
again. I be we go spray you perfume. You dey feel am.
Smell well.
You dey feel am.
Now the last time I checked, that wasn't how to borrow money from someone, all right? I saw you. I decided not to interfere because it is none of my business. But I tell you, whatever you do in this campus, you and you, an eye is watching you.
We got our eyes on
Mama,
you.
tell me make I run enter this guy.
Mama, because of you,
Allow
we
me
dey
make
feel
I
this
just
guy.
make I run enter
Mama,
like
you no
this.
dey anything.
No.
No, now go calm down. Because
If
too
you
much
allow me
capital is no dey full basket.
Abi?
Mama, we don't calm down too much for this guy.
I got my eyes on you. Next time if you try this thing, I go just run. Enter you like this.
Straight lesson, we no even waste time. Straight lesson.
Abi?
The world does not take it lightly with weak people.
I'm not weak. I'm not.
If you yelled at those people, if you calculate your strength and yell at them just the way you're doing to me right now, maybe they will not bully you.
My friend, don't say what you don't know.
I know what I'm saying, right? You see, there's something about you weak people. If you bring out your strength, no one will tremble on you, all right? They know that you are strong. They will do what? They will take a step back.
What about people that want to but don't have strength to?
Oh, come on. Everyone has the strength. There is an hidden strength inside you that you need to bring out and show to those fools that you have the strength to fight, right? Your job is to bring it out. Let it out, and all these people will see you as a strong woman and not just staying here and behaving as if you're a weak person. By the way, how much was collected from you?
You saw them?
Yes, I did. I saw them with my eyes. I decided not to interfere. You're not just weak. You are even slow for my liking.
What's this for?
Money. The one they collected from you.
I don't need your money. What happened is none of your business.
Yeah, I know. I know it is none of my business. I just want to be nice. Come on, have it. You need it. And also, well, you can wipe your tears. That is if you wish. Come on.
Such a polite, rude Jack.
Jackie, how far now? Jackie, wetin dey sup? This one wey you just cold like ice water since wey that guy follow you talk finish, you just cold like ice water. Wetin this? I don't understand you again, no.
I fuck up. In fact, I don't mess everything scatter.
Yeah?
Mama, I no understand. You fuck up onto which level? Wetin dey so?
That guy not supposed to see me like this. Like this now, that guy don't see me finish. He not supposed to know say some kind things they go on. Based on say I like him. You see that guy, I like him die and I fit do anything for him.
Jackie, no tell me say now why you dey play good girl card o? Eh? So you dey try play good girl card for where that guy dey? I no under. Hey, God abeg o.
For where is na dey, girl, I go play any kind card. I fit even play Reverend Sister Give and Serve.
You say?
Cause I like and die. Let me talk am. That guy no suppose know say I be bully or say I dey rob people. Everything don cast. Like this na paradigm my body. Mama, I don't just get joy.
Mama, wait. Get wetin I want try understand for you. You want tell me say you want live all this sweet life wey we don live for this campus? You want drop am because of man?
Let me ask her o. You cannot understand you again o.
No, it is I dey whine. Make I live better days. When I know say better days dey ahead o. I dey mad. I no fit try am. Only say for Ezenna na my special package be that guy. I want package am well, come reformat the guy brain. I give am better format wey be say if he see me like this, I go dey do some kind things when he go dey like, so that he go fall in love with me. Now wetin I go do? But you see street, na me be street. Na me get street, na me dey run street, nothing dey happen. I no fit leave street for any kind thing. Na street dey feed me.
No, why now? You know, so your brother now, Odogu. If they rabba you, he get money die now, eh? Your brother now, Odogu, you supposed to they give him money.
Her brother no be just Odogu. Her brother na Odogu Parara.
You dey hear
My brother na Johnson man. Has him be Johnson man? Me self, I no fit Jones. Now make me dey rugged, con dey. Even though say I want retire, I no fit dey tired.
No worry, you go dey active.
My brother just stingy anyhow, stingy. No fit just press paper.
That your brother na stingy man.
Wow. That is nonsense wife self. I never even reason her because if I reason her, she go query.
Normal level. Right. Mama, you know say if you put call.
Whose clothes are you holding?
Mama, it's your clothes. I want to do some laundry, so I decided to take your clothes and wash them at once.
How dare you touch my clothes with those stinking hands of yours? Do you know how much I bought these clothes?
Mama, I'm only trying to help.
So, your witchcraft members sent you to come and bring something that belongs to me so that they will strike me with sickness, and you decided to go with corner, eh?
Mama, what did I ever do? I mean, what did I ever do to you? Is it bad that I want to help you wash your clothes?
Very bad. It is very bad. Now listen to me. Don't ever in your life go close to my room or touch anything that belongs to me. I'm so dead.
What's going on here? What is going on here?
I'm so dead.
Honey, what is going on here? What's going on?
It's nothing. It's nothing. I just, she doesn't want me to wash her clothes, that's all.
Are you sure?
Yes. How was work today?
Yeah, work was fine. I have something to tell you. But that'll be after dinner.
All right. Let's go upstairs.
Looks so beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Chris, what are you doing here? Wait, how did you find me here? Don't tell me you've been following me today.
No, my prince. I was actually looking for where to ease myself before I sight you, so I decided to come to you.
What are the most effective ways for addressing climate change in policy level?
Sorry?
You don't understand the question?
No, honestly, my prince, I don't understand what you're saying.
I'm not even supposed to be asking you this question. Please, you can go, huh? Right?
My prince, should I get someone to assist you?
I'm not even... This whole thing is not... Is it that my brain is dull to understand this question or what? I don't get it.
My prince, let me look for someone to assist you.
Go now. You can go. Go. I will come and meet you when I'm done. But for now... Wait. Have I not want you to stop calling me prince whenever you are in this campus?
Sorry, my prince. Sorry, sir.
Please go. Come and meet you when I'm done.
Oh, honey.
Oh, baby.
That reminds me, you said you wanted to tell me something earlier.
Yes. Wanted to tell you that I'll be traveling tomorrow to Abuja for a business trip. And I booked a flight for 2 of us.
Honey, what do you mean by that?
I want you to come with me.
Honey, the last time I came with you, I was bored to death. And ashamed because of all the people that came. Because of all the people that came, you were the only one that came with your wife.
So why were you ashamed of me?
Honey, I can't be ashamed of you. But I don't want to be embarrassed.
You see, I want you to come with me because I can't leave you here. I don't trust my family to the extent of leaving you here with them. And that is why I want you to follow me. I don't want it to be hot.
Daniel didn't get hot when he was thrown into the lion's den.
But you're not Daniel.
But I am Stella.
Baby, can you be serious for once? Be serious now.
Honey, I am serious. Look, I can't go with you. Please understand.
My love, you are going with me, and that's final.
Honey, don't say this. You know Mama is around. Mama would need someone to help her, to cook for her.
But Ebuka is there, Jackie is there, so...
Ebuka and Jackie?
Of course you're not their maid. They can take care of her.
Is it Jackie that spent almost all her time in school? Or Ebuka that spends his time playing video games?
Baby, I've made up my mind that you're traveling with me, and that's final.
Honey, come on. You can't finalize this. That's all I have a say in this marriage.
Here you come. Yes, you do.
Then if I do, you will listen to me and go on this trip alone. I'll be fine.
Yes.
Honey, trust me. I'll be okay.
Yes.
100%. I will.
Greetings, Your Highness. Here is orange juice.
Yeah, thank you.
Igwe Onochie.
So you're back?
Yes, I'm back.
Ooh. Yeah. Well, it's good you're back early enough.
Why?
There's a scheduled meeting with the cabinet members.
Oh, Father, please, I am not interested. I will show interest in the affairs of this kingdom when the time is right. The one thing in my mind right now is to answer the questions I was unable to answer in the take-home test.
Come on, get off this. Are you trying to prove to me that you're a good student? You are not. You and I know that you have been sorting yourself out in the school. You are coming here to prove that you are test what?
Father, is this what you think about me? Is it actually what you think about your son? Which means you don't know me. You don't know your son. Father, please, I am one honest, upright gentleman. And I tell you for free that no lecturer will eat a penny from me as a form of bribe. Nobody. I'm really disappointed. Excuse me, Father. Your Majesty.
There.
Come on!
What do you want again?
You dey ask question. What do you want again? Come move it. Move it. Come move it.
Girl, don't get
But make I
mad.
go you. Motherfucker.
What do you guys want? Also, what do you get?
Madam, stand there.
Treasure.
I want to face mama.
Treasure. You know, say if you lose guard, Mugu go advise you. I want to ask you this question and I don't want to come twice.
You dey here? Open this your ear before I go.
And you go to free yourself if mama they follow you talk.
Wetin dey sup between you and Ezenna? Wetin dey go on? Answer me.
He gave me his handkerchief, so I wanted to return it, but he refused.
You dey say hanky.
I don't understand. Ezenna they go Sabbath. Abi you dey dance at Logo dance. Why can't they give you hanky now? Wetin dey sup? Oh yeah, they talk. Answer me now.
I don't know. Maybe it's just being kind to me.
They kind to you. Onto waiting now.
Nice guy.
Onto nice guy. I be nice time. I be one make I go soup for you. Come, I don't want you now. I don't want to see you near my guy again for this campus. My guy give you hanky, you collect. You dey follow Curtis, the chairman. You dey mad?
She don't chop liver. I don't go give her that
you
liver.
now? Why ain't go give you hanky, you go collect? You dey mad? I be you know say na my boyfriend.
You don't know. They look. You don't know.
The problem is say she dey look mama eyebrow.
Hey.
But I've not seen you both together.
You say?
They cross. If I dey talk to you, you go dey look down.
I
you
will
no be
give you
mate.
one leg now.
Come, Ezenna na my man for this school.
You dey hear am?
He no be siren make I dey blow am up and down. So you dey expect make I dey carry Ezenna dey waka na onto wetin?
Pre-wedding picture now.
I no understand. Come, this
Bust
girl.
my head.
You know guys see us together before you go know say Ezenna na my boy. Na me dey run that guy for this campus. See,
You dey hear?
no try me.
Is Ezenna aware that you are calling him your boyfriend?
Are you
She
mad?
said-
Dey crazy.
she said
I no be
yes,
face
yes,
like
no.
this.
You
You
want me
have
to
to
go?
go. Say grace. Who be this
Osa,
girl?
you
You want
dey
me to
say
get
yes,
to that?
yes.
Osa, go down. You dey mad?
Rubbish.
You dey question mama.
Come. I want to tell you something.
Then you go question next time.
Come,
Wait.
mama.
Grace. Oh, swear that to use you now, fry you like fish.
Treasure.
That she be.
I no want see you near my guy again.
You dey hear am? Open this your ear because you know dey hear
I no want see your shadow. I no want see your shadow. Anything wey resemble you, even your evil spirit, no near Ezenna again.
You dey hear am?
I no want use you dust classroom because you go blood
You
you.
this man just leave am because this
Okay,
one
no
now
problem,
she fit dey here now.
Can't be like client.
See this move.
Yellow pawpaw. Imagine though, you dey ask my mama question. You dey fear. Yeah? Sure.
Where is your sister?
Someone told me she was taken to the school clinic.
God bless you. Where is she? Someone told her she was with me. And then go to the hospital and be with your sister. What are you doing here?
Nobody agreed to take me there. So I am going to wait for her to regain consciousness and confine.
Why can't you roll yourself to the hospital?
How far do you think I can go without something sticking in between my wheels?
You're just a weak boy. Let me take you there.
Treasure! Are you okay? Adam, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Treasure, I heard someone hit you. Who was that?
Don't worry, Afam. The person didn't do it intentional.
Treasure, you know your condition and...
I said I'm fine. I'm okay.
I was worried. Everyone I begged to bring me to the clinic refused. Until he came and decided to help.
I see. Thank you so much, Ezenna.
Please don't thank me. No, don't thank me. I asked you to do something for me the next I heard that you were rushed to the hospital. Why? Only God knows if this is not one of your ploy or excuse not to do what I asked you to do.
Ezenna, is that what you have to tell me? I got beaten because of... I don't have your time right now. Afam, let's go.
Please, please. The unanswered question is here. When you get home, do it for me, all right? When you come in tomorrow, you bring a fellow. Excuse me.
Treasure, when did you start talking with this one? He is too rude for my liking, for God's sake.
At the same time, he's a nice person. He's the person that gave me the money yesterday.
Oh, really?
Let's go.
Kill it.
Mom, trust me. I'll kill them one after the other.
Kill it. That one is closed.
Mama, I am off to the market.
So?
I just wanted to let you know.
Will you leave out of my presence? Witch. Get out! Well done, well done.
Mommy, I told you. Trust me, I'll kill all of them one after the other. That's what's
What is going on here?
Henceforth, you don't have any right in this house again. Pack your things and move to the boys' quarters. That is where you belong.
What?
You heard what Mama just said. Going forward, you are now a full-time house help in this house.
Wait. I don't understand what you're saying.
Mama, she says she doesn't understand.
Make her to understand.
Stella, what is it that you don't understand? That you've been driving my brother's car, eating his money, bragging with it. The only mistake my elder brother made was getting married to a little brat like you. And that mistake, me and Mama here will correct.
And the only time you have the right to enter this house is only when you want to cook or clean.
Give me this bag.
Don't you dare come close.
Give it to me.
Collect her phone too. Collect it.
Now let me have the car keys on the phone.
Leave me alone.
Listen, I'll slap the living daylight out of you like you don't believe me. You think I'm joking.
I said leave me alone. Collect the phone. Collect it from her.
Nonsense. You think I'm here to play?
Mama, please.
What is wrong with you?
Can you let me go inside and cook? I'm just returning from the market. Why are you doing all this to me? What have I done?
Move to the boys' quarters. That is where you will belong from now on.
Yes, and anytime that I need you to come and cook for us in this house is the only time I call you to come and cook, and you better come immediately. Do not waste our time. Do you hear me? So you go to the boys' quarter now.
Mama,
before I do something stupid.
Move to the boys' quarters.
Please stop this. Please just take my bag inside.
She thinks I'm
Mama,
joking.
take my bag inside. Ebuka, stop this now.
Take this thing out of here. What is wrong with you? Think we're joking here?
Why are you kicking me out of the house? What did I do? Is it because my husband is not here? Is that why you're treating me like this?
Who is your husband, Arinze? Is that one a man? Eh? Is that one a man?
Please, baby, let me go inside.
You're going nowhere.
Come, get out of here. Go to where you belong.
Yeah, why are you doing this?
What I'll do to you.
Move to the boys' quarters. Get out. We don't need you any longer. Whenever
Mama,
you want
let's
to
go
cook,
inside.
you come inside and cook food for us.
Mama, please.
Oh, let's go inside.
Mama, please, don't do this.
If I see
Ebuka,
in this house again, so I'll do to you. This is where you belong.
Let's lock the door.
Mama.
Boys' quarter. Move to the boys' quarter.
Mama, why are you doing this? Ebuka.
to give up everything all for you. I'm ready to change all for you. I don't care how people will see me now.
Ade, what are you doing here?
Sorry, madam. See, madam, I won't call Oga, tell her waiting happen. So I say make her first can't tell you before I will call her.
No. Don't call him, okay? My husband is on a business trip. I don't want to ruin his business trip with something like this. This is the worst they can do to me. They can't send me out of this house. I will just hang around here until my husband returns.
So, madam, what if Oga can call me for phone and make I give you phone?
Just tell him I went to the market. Or you tell him I lost my phone, or just give him any excuse.
Mama, I beg you, I know Sabi lie you.
Ade,
Eh?
as your Oga's wife, I command you not to tell my husband anything about this. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You can go.
Okay. Madam, you okay?
I said I'm fine. You can go.
Your phone is ringing and his brother Arinze is calling.
Don't pick it. Don't. If he gets tired of calling, he will stop.
Then let me switch off the phone then.
No. Ebuka, make use of your brain. If you switch this phone off, it will look suspicious. Remember, it's our plan to make her suffer a little bit before the husband will come back.
You're right, Mama. Okay then, Mom, I'm hungry. Is there any food in this house?
Okay. Do you know what? Go and call that uncultured animal to come and cook for us. If she's coming, let her come through the back door. Okay?
Okay, Mama, I'll be right back.
Do that.
Alright, Mama, I'll be right back. Hey, come and make food for us.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me take my bags
I
inside.
don't get it. Are those bags more important than my stomach? I just said that I'm hungry. Come and make food for us.
But I can't leave my bags outside.
If you make me repeat myself again, you will regret your entire existence. Follow me now. Come with me. And what are you trying to do? Huh? What are you rushing to do? You want to pick the call so you can run out to your husband, right?
No, I'm not doing that.
Obviously, it's your husband calling, so I'm going to give you this phone to pick the call. So when he asks you why haven't to be picking his calls, you tell him that you went to the market and left your phone at home. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
If he said anything stupid, I swear to God, I will kill you before he gets here. So you better behave yourself and do what is necessary. Now take the call.
Hey, sweetheart. Sweetheart, I'm fine. Yes, I forgot my phone at home and went to the market. Yes, everything is fine. Everyone is fine. There is no problem at home. Yes, darling, I miss you. Honey, I was cooking, so I would like to get back to what I was doing.
you can proceed with what you were doing. Don't be stupid. Proceed.
I don't understand though. So as big as this room now, at least you don't get 1 naira, 1 shilling buying for this room. What kind of nonsense is this? So this guy even stingy enter room. Right, I go sleep today. Hey! Only king size bed, now I get at least they don't have the home money.
Me say you go just in from here. Where you come there since now?
Please, not today.
I be like, who get time? Guy, check your time. I don't get time.
What is it?
Alpha, hold and force. Check them out. Check them. You go like them.
What is it?
You blind guy. This is the perfume now. I buy you perfume make you they smell like my guy. I don't make you they smell anyhow. So, Alpha, observe them.
You got me perfume?
Now better perfume be this guy, you blind. Very fucking expensive perfume. You see these things, you go buy your destiny, your generation, you go buy them. I know they do picking things, so no they look me less. I be a big girl. Alpha, how you see her? You like them, ba?
Well, in as much as I know that you have no respect, you're buying something for me, you're still telling me it's more expensive than my generation. I mean, it can buy my generation, it's okay.
Your destiny.
But I will not accept this gift because they are cheap.
See?
Very cheap perfumes, and I wear expensive perfumes. So you can go give this perfume to one of those useless boyfriends that you have. Those your cultist boyfriend. Give it to them. Have it.
Come, you know sabi talk. I be which law they do you for mouth. Now so you the cap, you just the maroon cap. Me, wey be sabi girl, use my mind, buy you perfume, make you dey smell like my guy. See, make I tell you, like this, you be my bobo. I want make you dey use this perfume, make you dey smell as I like. No go dey smell anyhow around me. So you go collect am.
All right, I really want to correct an impression. I am not your guy. I am not your bobo. The earlier you know this, the better for you, all right?
You just dey provoke me for this school. If not be say I like you, I for drill you anyhow. If I just collect a water for your body, but I go leave you. Because matter no dey sour. Every fuck up must be treated accordingly. Don't worry, I go match you down one day. Muggle, idiot. See better perfume when I buy for this Johnson man. It's normal. No so like you. What?
I won't accept any noise or distractions from this class. You all are adults, so act your age. The last time we met, I gave you an assignment, and I hope you all are ready to lecture me today. Because I'm not giving you any breathing space this semester. Talking about this semester, some of you might end up with a carryover. People like Sophia, Jackie, Joshua, Ezenna, and Oche. If you know you are not doing well, you better sit up. Cause you all know I don't accept bribe. I only believe in hard work and good results. You better focus on your studies. You all know why you are here. Remember, heaven help those who help themselves.
We make things happen. Yes, we make things happen. This campus, yeah, we make this happen. When talking about this, we make things happen. When talking about people, when they make things happen. When talking about this, we make things happen. Now we there.
Here's my mom's clothes. Make them sparkle.
But she said she doesn't want me to wash her clothes.
Well, she wants you to wash them now. And you better make it clean and fast about it, okay?
I didn't bargain for this. I did not bargain for this. I did not bargain for this.
We are brave, we are stronger. Our ways is our bundle. We look for troubles, but the troubles don't look for us. We are brave, we are stronger. Man amount, we are stronger. If you cross our path, we will treat you a fuck up. Who goes you there? If we cross your path, you are in trouble. You know the fear face. If you cross our path,
You dey feel am?
What's the meaning of that?
Yeah, na hug I hug you. I no key person. After you like am ba, you know like I know say you go like am.
Make you not try this nonsense with me again. It meant.
Who be this guy? Guy, who you be? Wetin dey work you? Na hug I hug you, I no key person. Look my eyes. Wetin you dey see? Tell me if no be love you dey see for my eyes. Guy, I love you, I no dey high.
You love who? Which eyes? What I see in your eyes is drunkenness in high volume. You're drunk.
Na so na, because I'm fucking drunkly in love with you. You don't make me high. You can't dey complain. Are you a madman? You go calm down, make person pikin love you. You go love yourself.
Now listen to me. I've told you time with that number that I am not interested in all of this, alright? Leave me alone! Leave me alone. Are you dumb? Are you?
No, nah, I no be those be. Guy, come back here. Who you?
You crazy.
Guy, you put me for test. This guy now. Who be this guy? My presence they irritate you, they choke you. Guy, I go choke you die because you go ready for this school, na me and you. If I not get you, I go run fracas for this school. My presence they irritate you, they choke you. I don't turn shisha ba. I don't turn shisha wey don't set well. Oh wow. Sail on.
We are brave, we are stronger. Our ways is our bundle. We look for troubles.
I will show you what you cut is.
But the troubles don't look for us. We are brave, we are stronger. Man amount, we are stronger. If you cross our path, we will treat you a fuck up. Who goes you there? If we cross your path, you are in trouble. You know the fear face. If you cross our
You shouldn't be sleeping in the lecture hall. If you're tired, go back to your hostel and sleep.
Was that why you hit my head?
Are you okay? You don't look fine.
I'm fine.
Your face says otherwise.
My friend, mind your business.
Well, I don't think you're okay. Anyway, your health shouldn't be my business, all right? But I came here for a business.
Then get to it. Mind your business.
All right. As you know, Ms. Awele pointed out my name as one of the students that might likely fail her exams. She made mention of my name, and you know that. I don't want that to happen, that's why.
And how does that affect me?
I want you to teach me. I promise I will pay you handsomely.
I should help you. How?
I want you to be my teacher. Teach me privately. I mean, I want you to be someone that I can be studying with every now and then, you know. It will help me do my assignments, my tests, especially the ones that are very difficult.
And you think this weak girl here is in the right position to do that?
See, I don't care about your weak body. All I want is something upstairs. I mean, what you have upstairs. Please, don't get it twisted.
Let me ask you, why are you so rude? Has anyone told you that? Anyways, if you want me to help you, you will pay me 10,000 naira per lesson.
I'll pay you 20,000. Yes, 20,000 naira because I am a good person.
Which family are you from? I mean, why do you like throwing money as if it's nothing?
Well, you should be thanking me because I am trying to help you. Doing this because I'm a nice person, not because of anything. Please, let's get started.
No problem. If you
Mama, wetin dey happen? Why your face be like this?
Nothing.
No be you again. Wetin dey sup now? Yarn us.
See that guy. That guy don't buy market. He don't buy free market for my hand. And na him be the treasure. So him go anchor.
Mama, wetin dey happen now? Understand? Yarn me make you reason me well. Wetin happen?
You see that LT? I don't mark am. You see that loot? This nigga get mind my own bobo. They push me down because of LT. Understand wetin dey happen? Who the girl come be now?
Push you wetin?
I don't understand, Mama.
Baba they push me, they pan me for tears because of LT.
Mama, wait first. I wan understand something.
I don't understand. Unto wetin? Who give her liver?
See that girl? We go need to teach am lesson. She go know product where they make us from. She go know say we dirty, our mind no sweet at all, body dey prepare.
Mama, we need less this girl. We need less this girl. We need flat and put for ground. That guy get mind push you because of that Ochaka Omaka.
Hey, she don't buy better market.
Wait first, Mama. You get mind? They chase guy for this campus who gathered. The guy they chase another babe, another Jew babe.
Mama, I won't make you just say a word. Talk anything where you want right now. Make action they happen. Make I play them small thing.
Mama, normally you talk and do. Just talk
anything where you want. I go make come happen.
The guy he push you for chest.
Hey! You know what go happen?
Oh God.
You know what go happen We go play and tape.
Walai.
You see that girl? We go run am down.
Mama,
we go lesson.
Better lesson.
That guy go anchor. He go come
there.
there.
Rubbish be that now.
Mama, you don't talk everything.
Hey!
We go lesson, we go flat.
We go flat.
That guy get my push you. Hey!
Mama, talk
Younger
no
they
more.
sleep.
She don't buy market.
What's the meaning of that?
Since when?
And what is that supposed to be? It means that I will no longer let you treat me like a slave in my husband's house. No more watching of television in this living room. It is very bad that a mother like you would allow another woman's daughter be treated like this.
This one don't go drink Hennessy. Come, who give you highness?
I am not high. I am not high on anything. I am only reclaiming my position in this house. I am going to give birth under this roof. And if I continue living like this, that is me enslaving my unborn kids.
Really?
Look, I want you to go back and continue with what you were doing.
I am not going anywhere. We all are going to live in this house together. And we're going to treat ourselves equally. If anyone refuses to do that, then I will give it to them the way they want.
Are you stupid or something?
Eh? Didn't I tell you not to try that again? Don't ever do this again. Henceforth, it's energy for energy.
Energy for energy. Something is wrong with you. Something is wrong with you. Something is wrong with you.
Very well. Very well. Hit her very well.
Are you mad or something?
Electoral reform refers to changes made in electoral laws and processes over some time.
Hey. I go wine. This English is just too much for me to break down.
Why are you calling me Agumai?
Hey, you are intelligent. I'm listening to you. Go ahead.
Okay, so
now we're done. Bros, fine bro. We're done. Client waiting there happen. I say my head. So.
Treasure, please don't mind this mobile, yeah? Let's continue what we're doing.
Bros, na me they call Mugu. You go dey mind yourself, oh, I swear. You go dey mind yourself. If not be say Jackie dey pull eye where you dey, guy for don't run enter you tete. So make you dey mind wetin you dey talk comot for that your mouth.
You dey crazy. You dey mad. Sophia, whatever your name is, I don't want to give you my last warning. Because my last warning means danger. You and your friend, I don't care about you all. But don't come here spilling nonsense. Do you understand me? Get out!
Guy, I hear song where you sing. The song enter. If you drop am, e go say. But no worry, ma go drop and give my pan. No problem.
Get out! Let's go ahead.
see. You see what I'm saying? They can't stop tormenting me in this school. I will do everything for them. I will do assignments for them. I will write their exams. They cannot stop tormenting me in this school.
Hey, it's okay, all right? Henceforth, nobody will touch you as far as I am in this school. Nobody. You are covered henceforth, okay?
If it's because of you they are tormenting me in this school, I will just stay away from you, please.
No, don't say that. Please, don't do that. I'm here because of you too, all right? But like I promised, nobody is going to hurt you in this school. Okay? Calm down. I'm here now.
I want to get some water. I'm coming.
No. Don't. Let me go and get it for you, okay? Just sit here.
Yes, we make this happen, this compose, yeah. We make this happen when talking about this.
Madam, I swear, if you don't follow these people fight, yeah? If you just endure them, just the way they run them before until Oga go come back. Eh? See your face.
Endurance is good, but too much of it is stupidity. I will not let them tremble on me again. Henceforth, it's either they kill me or I kill them.
Madam, my own be say, if Oga come back see you like this, now big wahala. I swear kasala go boss.
I'm sure my injury will heal a little before he returns.
I pray so. Because me, I no get strength to answer question. Eh? Madam, may I help you? May I help you press? Eh?
I'll do it myself.
Eh?
I'll do it myself.
These people wicked though. Sweetie thing to you. Why didn't no one leave you alone? Ah, sorry. Take and suffer. They pain you. Madam.
We are stronger. Alpha.
The race or charcoal marker. Come on, your hand there before I mess up one.
So me and you the drag man for this campus, they craze. Who be you? Shut up, they craze. So me and you the drag man for this campus. You want make I kill you for here? Nobody go see your dead body. You the mad.
You know the fear.
You know the fear cuties.
The drag man with my queen.
Come, you self, come out for this class first. Come on, make I not lose her. Get out!
The drag man with my queen.
Come on for here,
come for here.
You want make I land you? Come on for here.
Want make I change your color?
You will leave, but please don't. But are you there here with that fine bobo just now? They laugh. They
Imagine.
Now you cannot move because I go rush you slap.
Come on for here.
They crazy. You cannot move. But you see man for here, man they move you, woman no be move.
No mind now.
Stand up for there, make you move.
I go match you.
Come on there now.
I go match you. You no go like her.
Yellow pawpaw.
See as
charcoal marker.
Mogo.
Carry me and carry me like wetin man do. Make I execute you.
Wetin you dey read? Mogo. Na me be padlet for this school. Who goes to collect?
Treasure! Where could she have gone to? Just now, I honestly hope Jackie didn't come to make her leave. But she left her books. So what did she... Anyway, well, if she didn't come back today, I will definitely see her tomorrow.
Good you are here. It's Treasure.
Treasure?
Yes.
Where's she?
Jackie and her friends beat her up and she fainted. I saw them.
What? Where? Please, show me, please. Treasure! Treasure! Can you hear me? Treasure, can you hear me?
Let's take her to the hospital.
Yes, please. Help her on my back. Sorry.
Okay.
Please, give me things. My slippers, please.
What are you doing? Who asked you to bring this nonsense in this house?
I did. First, my luggages are not nonsense. And secondly, I am moving back into my husband's house.
Says who?
Says me, Stella Ugeze Arinze.
Ebuka! Ebuka!
Mama?
Throw these things out of here.
Wait. Was she planning moving in?
She did not. Throw these things out of here.
Ade, take my luggages upstairs.
Okay.
And then if you move, if I give you one slap, you will join your ancestors.
Stop shouting and do what I asked you to do.
Okay.
Ebuka, if you touch my bags again, I will kick your balls into your stomach. What is wrong with you? Now move! Throw these things out. Mama, if you don't leave the way, I will push you. Mama, I will push you, and if I push you,
push me.
6 feet. So you better move. Ebuka, Ade, Ebuka, Mama, come and throw these things out. Mama. What are you saying to your mother? Come up here. Mama. Go upstairs.
Hey,
Ebuka, what are you doing? When they call men, so you will come out with your full chest as a man. You are not a man. What you are is a boy. A goat, that is what you are. Get out of my presence, get out.
Mama, see, it's even better we leave her moving, leave her. To be honest with you, since we threw her out of this house, my heart have not been at rest. My heart has been beating me. I've been scared of Brother Renzi coming back and see her there in the post quarter. What will I say? God, I beg you. I still appreciate this roof under my head. Mama, you heard her saying she will kick my balls. Mori boy, she will kick it. I've not married. I've not given birth. So she won't kick my prick, enter inside my stomach. Where you not heading that one? They are never born.
Hey!
Stella! Something they walk you. You dey craze. Come, you dey mad to somebody I dey talk to. You dey craze. I mean, want provoke me.
What is your problem?
Come. I come back. I come see say you don't enter house. I no cap. Because I believe say too much capping is not a full basket. I can't enter my room now. I can't see say you no clean am. You no tidy am up. I pack. But one thing when I no go take be say you no go cook food for this house. You dey mad. How I go enter kitchen? How can me go enter kitchen? I go come dey hungry.
What is my business if there's no food in the kitchen?
You just want provoke Jackie. You just want see why then they call me Jackie the baddest. Because this your English way they speak now. Just one day, they vex me now. You want they run like raindrop for my brain. And if I enter you, I swear you no go like am.
Jackie, if you're hungry, go to the kitchen and help yourself. Help yourself.
Hey. Oh yeah, macham, they collect am front to the kitchen. Come make me food now. Make I no change them for you. You dey craze. You dey mad. You dey follow me. They talk anyhow. You dey mad. You know who I be.
And if I don't? Don't try it. Don't try this nonsense. Look, you better respect yourself. What is wrong with you? The fact that I've been keeping quiet doesn't mean I am a fool. Don't ever try this nonsense again. Well, if you're looking for those you can raise shoulders with, go to your school and do that. Not here.
You know, sir,
don't ever try this nonsense again.
I be Curtis. They follow Curtis. They argue. I feel even conk you like this.
Try it.
If they follow Curtis, they argue.
Try it.
This guy, if you just use this thing now, whip you go just die. Person go say Curtis don't kill him brother wife. But make I leave you. You be mugu. I don't get your time. But you go cook that food. If you not cook that food, I swear this house go burn. And nothing go happen. You must cook that food. Now why if you be, you not be babe? Idiot. Say as he be.
You're not worried, eh?
Why are you worried?
Our son is not back home yet, and it's 7:30 p.m. and you're not saying anything about it.
Our son is no longer a boy. Our son is a man, a full-blown man. Anyway, have you called Chris?
Their numbers are not going. That's the problem. That's why I'm angry. What kind of thing is this? Eh?
Just sit down. Just sit down.
Oh, Father, good evening.
Sorry,
Mother.
Why this late now? What happened?
I'm here now. Why are you still talking about it? Can't I come back late again? Please, I am really tired. I need to freshen up. Freshen up.
Can you rest now?
I can't tell. I will find out why he came back this late. What kind of thing is this? He wants to give me high blood pressure. Hi. Chris, come here. Come here.
Good evening, Your
Good
Highness.
evening. Come. What happened? Why did you people switch off your phone? Because you have car charger. So why did you switch off your phone? Eh?
My queen, please don't tell him more. I think the prince is having issue with a girl.
What kind of issues? Is it love issues? Eh?
My queen, I don't really know, but he was the one that asked me to turn off my phone.
Huh? You don't know if it's love issues or what. Anyway, don't worry. I will take it up from here. Huh? Hey. Eh? Maybe his girlfriend though. Eh? That's a good one. Eh? Now my mind can rest.
Worry, you wait until tomorrow. No, until tomorrow. Wait for me. I will show you the stuff I am made of. It's not when I start running from trouble that you think that I'm a weakling. No! I am made of, no problem.
Son, I heard your voice. What is it? I heard your voice.
Mom, please, go and sleep.
How can I sleep when my son is not happy? What is it?
Mom, I know you love me, yes. But whenever I have issue, all right, I will let you know.
Son, is it about the girl? Is she giving you tough times? That must be love.
I told you I'm having a problem with a girl. What are you talking about? Who has been talking to you? Chris?
Son, listen. Don't take it out on him, okay? See, nothing will thrill me like you graduating and getting married at the same time. I mean, there is money.
So, you and Chris has been talking about me? Like I am the topic the both of you are discussing about. Mom, now listen. I want you to choose one. Do you want me to study and graduate? Or you want me to focus on the matters of the royal family? Or you want me to get married? Which one?
Son, all three of them. Yes, you can do the three of them. Listen, if not because of the issues in your other school, by now you should have graduated. You're not getting younger. Okay, do you think you're going to do youth service? Of course you are above 30. Your father and I would be so happy if you would just graduate and get married at the same time, thereby killing 3 birds with 1 stone. Yes. See, son, it doesn't matter. If the girl is giving you stress, don't worry. I can come and talk to her. That is if you do not mind.
Mother, what is wrong with you? What is actually wrong with you? I didn't ask for help, and who has been fooling you that I have something to do with the girl? I don't get it.
It's okay. No problem. You know what? Just rest, sleep well, and think about it, okay? I'll see you in the morning. You know mommy loves you, all right? Sleep tight. Good night. Good night.
Hey, Mogu, where the khaki? The place who be madam. You know sabi talk. I dey here they call another madam. They mad. Come, where that girl? Come. Oyafa.
And who is that animal that doesn't have respect for someone's wife?
Hey, you dey craze. Now me the phone they talk anyhow. Come on, give me the khaki.
Give you the khaki as what? Did you buy any car in this compound? Well, nothing like that is going to happen.
Your papa give you any car? You carry any car come my brother house? Upon my brother money they misbehave because you hang for there like bed. One day and two down them meloga. Your life go there miserable. And they promise to give me the key.
Hi! If only shame was a person.
Mama, come.
Can't you see yourself? Insulting and fighting me. Oh, you're using me to show that you're a cultist, eh? When your mates are in their husband's house. Look at you. Shouting, fighting. Using me to show that you're a cultist. When your mates are in their husband's house.
What did I hear you say? You are yabbing my daughter. Oh. Chineke na lechara anya wee kpọọ mbọsụka. Nwa Chineke kele mbọsụka tinyere ya ka elek. Nsi juru ọnụ.
Mama, tell your daughter the truth. Tell her the truth. Tell her to go and get married. You cannot, you look at her.
Stella, enough. One thing I will not take from you is for you to insult my mother. Don't try it again.
See, I don't have your time. Now let me tell all of you. Henceforth, nobody is coming upstairs. And you people are not going to see me downstairs. And most importantly, the kitchen is going to be locked until my husband returns. Even if it's in 2 weeks. So, you all are on your own. Have a nice day.
Just go to school. Go to school. Idiot, if I catch you, you say this girl. If you did not kill me in this house today,
Mama, can you imagine?
I will kill you.
So no go talk for this house again.
Two of us are going.
Where is she? Go, Stella.
Where is that girl?
Stella.
Good morning, my prince.
Hey, give me the keys. Avoid me and give me the keys now.
Oh,
I don't want to be rude to you. I trusted you. Give me the keys.
What happened? Where is he living alone?
My queen, I think the prince is mad at me. Maybe because of what I told you.
Hi. Don't worry. It's okay. I will give you transport money. You go to the campus and wait for him. I'm sure when he sees you, he will be calm. Don't worry. Let me get you money.
A winner is just a loser.
Oh my me. I want to go and tell the queen what the prince said I should not tell her.
Cannot be trusted. Now they should have given your position.
Are you mad? They should have given you my position. Huh? Are you mad?
Not what is easy. Never let evil thoughts control you.
Come down here today. Come down here today, see what I'll do to you. I will show you that I'm a man and you don't treat a man anyhow in his brother's house.
Stella, so you locked the door on me, eh? Okay, let me see how long you are going to stay up there. Let me see how you will eat. Today, I am going to show you that I am
Stella, come down.
An old woman.
I'll show you that I'm a man and you don't treat a man anyhow in his brother's house. Mama, if I wait till 12 and she don't open this door, I will break it down.
Today your cup is full. What is it? You know, I regret allowing you into this house. If I didn't do it, they would tag me a bad wife. That I'm trying to cause an issue between my husband and his sibling.
So you're finally out, Stella.
Yes, I'm out.
You have the guts, the nerve to lock the door.
Today, I will show you that I'm not an old woman.
Madam. What did you say?
Why are you running?
Oh, Polly.
Hi, baby.
How are you? Mama, how are you?
Hi, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. How are you doing? Baby, what's happening?
Nothing. Why don't you go upstairs and you
Okay.
just came back, yeah.
Let me have my cup.
You're welcome, my son.
All right, Mama, thank you.
But I never walk backward.
Okay, Chizzy. Okay. This is the one I want you to type for me and submit.
Okay, I'll just submit yours and mine.
Thank you so much, Chizzy.
Why are you crying?
Treasure. I'll see you later. Okay?
No, Afam, I don't need to come. I'll be discharged today.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just take it to your class.
Thank you so much, Chizzy. Thank you for everything.
Thank you. You're my friend, okay?
Oh, please stop crying. I'm fine. I'll come check you later. Thank you. Thank you so much. Stop crying, Afam. I'm fine.
Hello, teacher. Good morning, my teacher.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine. How was the night?
Terrible. I was thinking about you.
You can't do that.
Have this there for you.
Why?
What is why? See, come on, you deserve it. You deserve every good thing of life. You're so beautiful, intelligent. The truth is that I never wanted to be close to anyone in this school. But I had to. Since I met you in this school, I've been so happy. Very, very happy. But you know, as for those pigs, those useless pigs, leave them for me. I will deal with them.
Isn't please. Don't go after them. You will make everything worse. You don't know these people.
Oh, come on. You don't know me. What if they have killed you? What would I have done? Now that I'm so serious with my education and the only girl that decided to help me, they want to take her away from me. Let me get to the class first.
Isn't thank you for everything. But please, don't fight them for my sake, please.
Oh, please,
they will hurt me if you're not there.
Don't worry. Henceforth, you are covered, alright? So, relax. Now tell me. I want you to tell me about electoral reform.
Isn't not now? I don't have strength for that.
Come on, you're my teacher.
Once again, thank you for everything.
It's okay.
I appreciate it.
It's alright, you deserve it.
I left just for 2 weeks, only to come back to meet bruises and swollen faces. What do we call this?
And it's all your fault.
They sent me to the boys' quarters. As if that wasn't enough. They turned me into their maid. And Jackie wanted to use my car to go to school.
Mama, is this true?
What do you mean by asking me if it is true? You need to see how this girl insulted me today. What you should be doing is throwing her things out of this house, not questioning me.
Mama, I am disappointed at all of you. I traveled and you turned my house into a wrestling ground. And Mama, you could not stop them. Instead, you stood by and watched them tear themselves into pieces.
I have every reason to believe that this girl has given you witchcraft to eat. She has put you in a bottle and you don't know.
Mama, thank God you are my mother. If you were not my mother, today, you, Ebuka, and Jack, you are leaving my house. And let what will happen, anything that will happen, let it happen.
What?
I said you are leaving my house. You're asking me what?
Because of this girl?
Yes.
Ha.
I don't know for my mom. I'm not going anywhere. I'll talk my own.
Arinze! Arinze!
Mama, leave the house.
He said we are going.
Mama, maybe it's you that will leave. Me, I'm not going anywhere. I'm at my brother's house.
I'm not going anywhere. I will not go anywhere. This is my son's house.
Hey, my younger brother now.
I don't care what they will say, all because of you. It's a you won't bite my. You don't know my heart's love for you. I can't live without.
How are you? Are you surprised to see me?
Ezenna.
This is Ezenna, the one you know.
Ezenna, what is going on? Why are you dressed like this? Who are these people? Why did you come to school with policemen?
To what do I owe you that explanation? I don't understand. Oh, please, feel free to talk to me anytime, any day, okay? Come. Come.